Everybody is looking for more energy. We live in a fast-paced world and it demands a lot from us. We're constantly on the go, juggling work, family, social lives, and everything in between. It's no wonder so many of us reach for that extra cup of coffee or sugary snack. What your body really craves is sustained, healthy energy from nourishing foods. The right foods can make all the difference. Foods that provide a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled up, feel less sluggish and more vibrant. Let's kick things off with a breakfast staple that deserves a standing ovation. Oatmeal. This isn't your grandma's boring porridge, we're talking about a versatile powerhouse. Packed with beta-glucan, it slows down carb digestion, avoiding blood sugar spikes. You get a steady release of energy all morning long. Oatmeal is also rich in magnesium and B vitamins, crucial for energy production. Skip sugary packets, go for rolled or steel-cut oats. Add cinnamon, berries, nut butter, or seeds. With oatmeal, you'll conquer your mornings like a champion. Next up, we have a fruit so portable and convenient, it puts energy drinks to shame. I'm talking about the humble yet mighty banana. Whether you're rushing out the door or need a quick pick-me-up, bananas are a fantastic source of natural energy. Bananas are full of carbohydrates, our body's primary source of fuel. But these aren't just any carbohydrates, they're packed with fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption for sustained energy. Bananas are also a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that plays a crucial role in muscle function and nerve transmission. When your potassium levels are low, you might experience fatigue and muscle cramps. And let's not forget about the natural sugars in bananas: glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Enjoy one on its own, slice it over your morning oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or freeze it for a refreshing and healthy treat. No matter how you slice it, bananas are a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body and power through your day. Let's move on to a creamy and delicious option that's packed with gut-healthy probiotics and muscle-building protein: yogurt. Yogurt is a fantastic source of beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. When your gut is happy, your body can efficiently extract energy from the foods you eat. Yogurt is also an excellent source of protein, which plays a vital role in providing sustained energy. Greek yogurt in particular is a protein powerhouse, packing even more of this energy-sustaining nutrient per serving. Opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars. You can then sweeten it naturally with fruits, honey, or maple syrup. Add a dollop of yogurt to your smoothies, parfaits, or oatmeal for a protein and probiotic boost. You can also use it as a base for dips and sauces, or enjoy it on its own with some granola and berries. Let's talk about a leafy green that's about to become your new best friend: spinach. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with iron, a mineral that plays a crucial role in energy production. Iron helps carry oxygen throughout your body, including to your muscles and brain. When your body doesn't have enough iron, you might experience fatigue, shortness of breath, and difficulty concentrating. Spinach is an excellent source of non-heme iron, which is the type of iron found in plant-based foods. Spinach is also a good source of other energy-boosting nutrients, including magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins. Add a handful to your smoothies, salads, or sandwiches. Sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a quick and nutritious side dish. With its mild flavor and versatility, spinach is an easy and delicious way to boost your iron intake and keep your energy levels high. Let's move on to a snack that's as convenient as it is nutritious: almonds. These crunchy little nuts are a powerhouse of energy-boosting nutrients, making them the perfect pick-me-up between meals. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are essential for providing sustained energy and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Almonds are also a great source of plant-based protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling energized for longer. The combination of healthy fats and protein makes almonds an ideal snack for curbing cravings and preventing those energy dips throughout the day. Almonds are also a good source of magnesium, which plays a vital role in over 300 bodily functions, including energy production. Whether you're snacking on a handful on the go, adding them to your trail mix, or incorporating them into your meals, almonds are a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body and keep your energy levels high. Enjoy them as a quick snack or add them to your favorite dishes for an extra energy boost. Let's dive into the world of omega-3 fatty acids with a delicious and nutritious fish salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to obtain them through our diet. These healthy fats are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. When it comes to energy, omega-3s play a crucial role in supporting mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, responsible for converting the food we eat into usable energy. Omega-3s have also been linked to improved mood, better sleep, and reduced fatigue. Salmon is an excellent source of both EPA and DHA, making it one of the best dietary sources of these essential fatty acids. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon in your diet each week to reap the full benefits. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon is a versatile and delicious way to boost your omega-3 intake and support your overall health and well-being. Let's move on to a root vegetable that's as versatile as it is delicious: sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange tubers are packed with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients that provide long-lasting energy and support overall health. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which are quickly broken down and can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy over time. Sweet potatoes are also a fantastic source of fiber, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting gut health. Fiber helps slow down digestion, preventing those energy dips and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Roast them, mash them, bake them into fries, or add them to your favorite soups and stews. With their sweet and savory flavor, they're sure to become a staple in your energy-boosting diet. Enjoy them as a side dish or incorporate them into your main meals for sustained energy. Let's crack open the incredible benefits of a breakfast staple: eggs. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients for sustained energy. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce. Protein is essential for building tissues, supporting immune function, and providing energy. Eggs also contain healthy fats, contributing to their energy-boosting properties. These fats help slow digestion, keeping you satisfied and preventing energy slumps. Whether scrambled, fried, poached, or boiled, eggs fuel your body with energy and nutrients. Let's explore the incredible energy-boosting benefits of a complete protein: quinoa. This ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, iron, and magnesium. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Protein provides long-lasting energy, keeping you full and satisfied. Quinoa's fiber helps regulate blood sugar, preventing energy dips. Enjoy quinoa in breakfast bowls, salads, or as a rice substitute. Fuel your body with quinoa for sustained energy. We can't talk about energy-boosting foods without mentioning the most important one of all: water. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Think of water as your body's internal transportation system. It carries nutrients to your cells, flushes out waste products, regulates body temperature, and keeps your organs functioning properly. When you're dehydrated, even mildly, your body has to work harder to perform these essential functions, which can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. The amount of water you need each day varies depending on factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. However, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on water throughout the day. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and support your overall health and well-being. That's it for my top 10 energy-boosting foods. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a big impact on your energy levels and overall health. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. So, incorporate these energy-boosting superstars into your daily routine and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay energized and conquer your day.